Hi, I'm Haley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bacon ranch cheese ball. So first off, we just have our 8-ounce cream cheese, and that's just at room temperature, so it's easy to mix. Then we have a cup of crumbled bacon, a cup and a half of cheddar cheese, which is shredded. We have a 4th cup of green onions, a half cup of sliced almonds, and we have a 2/3 a cup of ranch. So I'm just gonna start off with the cream cheese. And then I'm going to add in our ranch. And just start mixing those things together. The ranch is super nice because it keeps the cheese ball soft, so it doesn't like break your cracker when you dip it in. And I don't use a ranch pack or anything. If you wanted to, you could. You would just have to add sour cream and milk to make sure you get that right consistency. But I just like to make it easy and throw in some already made ranch. Okay, you can stop it while I mix this. I'm just gonna add in my cup and a half of cheese. Mix that in. Okay, so now we have our cream cheese, our cheese, and our ranch. I'm gonna throw in Okay, now it's time to form your ball. So I am just using a cutting board. I'm just going to slowly form it and add more and more. Obviously, make sure your hands are real good and washed. If you hate this feeling, you could use gloves or something. Never mind. Just slowly forming it. I'm not actually forming it on the platter that I'm going to use. You could. It just seems to get a little bit messier. So I just like to form it on the cutting board first. As you can see, it forms a pretty decent sized ball. For a bigger party, I definitely use 2 cream cheeses. I don't increase the amount of cheese and stuff. I just add a little extra cream cheese and ranch. Okay, so now it's done. So I'm just going to place a cheese ball right in the middle and surround it with your favorite crackers. I usually use Ritz. There's pita chips.